Here I am reading out question number 25. From the following information, calculate cash flow from investing activities. We have machinery at cost, accumulated depreciation, patents. In additional information, first point, during the year, machinery costing rupees 90,000 with accumulated depreciation of rupees 60,000 was sold for rupees 50,000. Second, patents written off were rupees 50,000 while a part of patents were sold at a profit of 40,000. See, adjustment is given here related to machinery, patents and accumulated depreciation. So we need to prepare accounts first. Here it is, machinery account. Opening balance, you will write debit side as to balance BD. Closing balance, credit side by balance CD, 10 lakhs. Accumulated depreciation is given in your adjustment. That will be shown credit side as by accumulated depreciation account 60,000. Okay. Then we have sold a part of machinery for rupees 50,000. For that you will write credit side by bank account sale 50,000. Now in question it is written a machinery costing rupees 90,000 and depreciation in that is 60,000. Remaining balance is 30,000 which was sold for 50,000. It is a profit of 20,000. You will show that profit debit side as to profit on sale 20,000. Okay. Here the balance is 11,10,000 and debit side 9,70,000. Difference will be your purchase value. For that you will write to bank account purchase 1,40,000. This was machinery account. Next we have accumulated depreciation account. What is the need to prepare this account? To know current year depreciation value. Okay. For that we have prepared this accumulated depreciation account. So opening balance of accumulated depreciation will be on credit side as by balance BD. Closing balance you will write debit side as to balance CD. Depreciation in machinery account we have written this depreciation credit side. Now we are preparing accumulated depreciation account. Journal entry for this particular transaction is accumulated depreciation account debit to machinery account. So debit side we have written to machinery account 60,000. Here debit side total is 2,10,000. Credit side we have 1,10,000. Remaining balance of this 1 lakh is your current year depreciation. Okay. This will be shown under operating activity and you will add this amount because it is a non-cash expense. Then we have patents account. Being an asset, opening balance will be shown debit side to balance BD 3 lakhs. Closing balance credit side by balance CD 2 lakhs. In question it is written patents written off, that is your amortization. So that will be shown credit side as by amortization 50,000. And in question we have profit. It is written patent were sold at a profit of 40,000. That profit will be shown debit side as to profit on sale. Now see, debit side total is 3,40,000. Here credit side is less. Debit side 3,40,000 and credit side 2 lakh plus 50. 2,50,000. So this 90,000 will be your sale value. Okay. Because in this question we have amortized value, and if your credit side is less and amortization or depreciation is given in the question, balancing figure will be your sale. And if sale value is given and we do not have depreciation in the question, balancing figure will be called depreciation, or you can say amortization in case of intangible asset. Okay. So here we got sale as balancing figure rupees 90,000. Now we prepare investing activity, cash flow from investing activities. Here it is. Purchase of machinery being an outflow, you will put bracket 1,40,000. Sale of machinery 50,000. Just now we have calculated sale of patents 90,000. These two are inflow and this one is outflow. 90,000 plus 50,000 is 1,40,000. 1,40,000 minus this 1,40,000 is nil, no flow.